speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So in this video, I want to show you a new update on Facebook ads. Okay, before Nigerians will fund our wallet will pay you. Okay, whereby you are going to use your card and make payment, and basically you cannot use Verve card. What the two cards that you can use is either Visa or MasterCard. But now this is a great thing that Facebook has done to us, we that are Nigerians. Now you can make payments. You may open MetaAd, the application app where you can use to set up your Facebook and Instagram ads, and it will start learning. Okay, there is now a new way whereby you can even transfer. Okay, you can use transfer method to fund your wallet. Right now my spending limit has reached, and I have a learning campaign. Okay, so I want to fund my wallet now. What I'm going to do is I have to click, as time goes on, the interface of an application keeps changing, but it's either they add something. Okay, they are not going to remove anything, but rather it keeps on updating and upgrading itself. Okay, so what I'm saying is this: my interface right now and the interface of my previous tutorials may not be the same. Okay, because I observed that Facebook actually makes some changes there, and again, that is it. So I want to fund my wallet, so I have to come up here on this settings, click settings. Okay, can you see? Can click on bill and payments. Okay, so under here, this is available funds, this is add credit. It says we will deduct fund about once a day when you run ads. If fund run out, your ads will be paused. So if your fund finish, your advertisement will actually stop. Okay, so I have 0 naira here. Okay, here is credits. It says will be used before payment method. So if I have credits here, they will have to take from it before they start taking from my available funds. So I want to add money to this. I want to fund this wallet. So I have to click on fund, add funds, and then this is what I'm saying now. Can you see? Pay with bank transfer. This is so amazing, guys. The other one is pay with USSD. Wow, pay with USSD. This one is pay with card. But before, we Nigerians make use of this PayU so that you can pay with card. Okay, we don't make use of the first one because we don't want to save our cards on this app. Okay, but now the easier things has been added to us. We can use bank transfer or we can use USSD. Okay, you can just click on USSD. I click next. Okay, then but I don't want to use USSD. I don't want to use it, but let me just open it so that we can see how it is, because I have not used it. The last time I found my wallet, I just used pay with transfer. Can you see now? Okay, I have to select my bank, but these are the most popular banks. So anyone that you want, you have to make sure that you have an account on all these banks that are here. Okay, anyone that you have, like I have an account on FCMB. Okay, I can select FCMB and then add my phone number. Okay, but I don't want the payment I want to make is not 445, but let's just continue with this. Today is 108270154. I click on continue. I'm not going to proceed far. Okay, because I believe before they will deduct the money from my account, they will ask me for my PIN. Okay, that USSD using your mobile to complete transaction. So this is the USSD. Can you see now? If I click on this thing now, they are going to it will process the USSD, and fortunately I believe they will ask me to enter my pin number. So you have to do it very fast before this expiration countdown reaches to 0. Okay, but I don't want to do it, but let's just try it. I click on it. Can you see I use my phone as if I'm dialing USSD. Can you see to just open up, I will dial. Not exist. I should check the number and try again. So let me die. Let me do this thing. Sorry, I'm using I'm saving my contacts. Any contacts that called me that is not saved, it will save it automatically. Sorry, oh, that is it. That is why. So let me just cut this card. Let me delete this recent calls. I've copied it now. So let me add hash because I did not. There is no hash there. This is the let me add hash because when I just called now, they say that the number is not assigned to any number. So let me die again. Can you see? Say welcome to USSD banking. Please note a 6.98 naira network charge will be applied to your account for banking service on this channel. So if I just add one, that means accept, and click on send, it will proceed. Okay, it will proceed, but I don't want to do that right now. But can't we continue? Once it gets to okay, I actually wasted a lot of time. That is why. But I believe that before they proceed it, they will require my pin number. So let's go back. So that is it. So this is actually for Nigerians. Okay, this is actually for Nigerians. Okay, so if I know a Nigerian, you can use the other. You can use the other methods. You can use the other methods. That is more reason why you have to have a digital payment account. Okay, you can use other methods like you can use these cards and all that. So I'm going to use bank transfer. So the payment I want to add is about, I want to add 10,000. So here I have to change it, type 10,000. Oh, sorry, I want to add 10,000. Then instead of me to use pay you, I've done that video. If you have not seen it, you can check the description below. You're going to see more tutorials about this. Okay, so I want to use bank transfer. I click on bank transfer, click next. It's opening. Okay, now it will ask me to enter my phone number. Okay, once I enter my phone number, it will 081082701. I click on continue. It will now open up a bank account that I am to pay in. Okay, it will now say I should copy this bank account. If I copy it, this is the bank I'm going to select. Pega. Okay, I'm going to select this bank. Okay, and then once you select this bank, with this bank account, it's going to show Facebook ads. Okay, Facebook ads will build the receiver name, that is the account name. This is account number, this is bank name. So make sure you do it very fast because there is a countdown that is there. So I can decide to copy this. Just click on this account number, you to copy it. Then you open your bank. I have to pause this video so I can open. Okay, so I've opened my bank app. Okay, my mobile bank app. So I have to do the transfer. Remember, I've selected the account number, so it's other bank. I'm using FCMB, First City Monument Bank. Okay, guys, you see me, I don't have money. What I have in my account is 20,000, 40, 50, naira 45 kobo. See guys, send me money, I beg your girl dey beg now. So I type in 10,000. I'll come down, add the account number that I copied. I'll just click and hold. This is the account number here too. Or I can decide to click here, or I'll just click and hold it. It will come paste. So I click on view depending on the bank application that you're using. So I have to type Paga. I'll click, select it, then it will verify the account name. Can you see the account name here? Facebook ads. Okay, Facebook ads. If you want to save it, you click here depending on your own mobile banking. That for me, any transaction that I'm making, I always love adding description, okay, so that anytime I'm checking my account saying how come this is my balance, I'll not check my description. So okay, I remove this money, and this is what I use that money to do. So for this, I will type Facebook ads, okay, so that I will know that this money was used for Facebook ad. Then I click on make transfer. So everybody close your eyes. Should I post this video or should I not post it, guys? Tell me on the comment section. Tell me right now, should I post it? I want to add my PIN number. Should I post the video or should I not post it? Tell me now. Okay, it's performing transfer. Okay, can you see now? It says instant transfer successful. I can decide to click on continue, or I will go back. Just reduce this thing. Go back here. I just believe that the countdown has not exhausted. Can you see? I still have about 26 minutes left. So can you see immediately it indicates funds successfully added. This is so amazing, so easy. So I have to go back to my meta ads. Go back to my meta ads, click on done. Can you see it also show that funds are successfully added? Can you see now? I now have 10,000 naira here instead of 0 naira. Okay, I'll go back, I'll refresh. Can you see it has showed that I have about 9,300 or something. They have removed almost 700 naira right now. Guys, these people. Okay, so that is it on your meta ads using bank transfer. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, can you do that right now? And also let me know if you got value from our trainings so far. If you're on my WhatsApp group, you can chat me up and tell me how the training has been helpful to you. All right, I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.